The 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, powered by a 3.8-liter V6 engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle gets up to 17 miles per gallon. This Dodge features front-wheel drive, dual front airbags, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, third-row seating, and Sirius satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.